Indian girls are crazy.
for your songs.
Never.
Why are you saying like
Because I'm second time coming to India,
Okay.
and this trip I went to 3 club.
And what happened there?
Nobody look at me. I walk, they look through me. So maybe it's my last visit in India.
चाइनीज एक नेपाली
Yeah.
They will understand this. मेहमान जो हमारा होता है वो जान से प्यारा होता है.
He said a guest in India is so close to our heart that he's even closer than our loved one. So you're a guest and we treat guests like God.
अतिथि देवो भव.
Yeah.
Go, go.